going to do now, if you notice, as the course is like this now, as great as it looks, it doesn't have a button for the person to buy. So that's what we're going to create next. So let's go back to the home page. So now we're going to come down here. So now on my account, so on my account page, you see the teacher's dashboard. So we click on that. So it just takes us through a little registration form. Because this is now very, very important. You have to fill this in so that we now know how to pay you. So, and you have to, it has to be a valid PayPal email address. So, and if you don't have a PayPal account, we already did a tutorial on that. And if you go back to the teach page, you'll find that tutorial beside this one. So, do well to go through that tutorial and learn how to create a PayPal account. For those of you in Nigeria, for those of you outside the country, you're free to just create a PayPal account and you're good to go. So let me just enter my PayPal email address. So after you finish applying, they bring you to this page. Now on this page, this is your dashboard. For this is where you track your sales, this is where you track your revenue, this is where you make your withdrawals and all. So but we're just going to create you feel free to go through this your dashboard whenever you have the chance to. So we're going to click on products manager and we create add product. So we're going to create a new product. We'll go to select a category from the list. So remember our category is under health and fitness, and under health and fitness we have under health and fitness we have sports. So we select sports. So now we're just going to copy exactly the same name and title and description from here and paste it here. So description, we copy this, paste it under here. So this is a short description. Now is that thing I said about the exam, just short a short intro about the course where they just see. Usually you now put the actual description, you now put so now here this is where you now put in your pricing. So let's say you want to sell the course at the actual price, let's say $60, and you want to sell it at $20. So now if you want this $20 sale to be on, let's say from in the space of 3 months, so we click on calendar, we begin with the first of this and we take it down to, so in the space of 3 months, that's when this price will be on. Now we create tags, like basketball, create second tag, fitting drills, the same tags we used on the other end. So now we've added tags. You have to mark these 2 buttons here. Now if the course comes along with downloadable documents and stuff, you mark downloadable, but if it's just virtual, so for the sake of this tutorial, why I marked virtual is that if you mark virtual, then linking it with this, once the person downloads, it just takes into the course directly. But for our offline courses, you have to mark downloadable, then upload the documents for the offline courses, so virtual. So we go to the email. So like this, now we're done. So we just publish the course. Remember, we just came here, all we're doing here is just create a product to help us sell the course. So let's upload an image for the course. Here it is. Add gallery images if needed. Let's add these two. I think this is okay for now. So now that we've created that, let's go back here and go back to where we came from editing the course. So now we're going to add the product. So just copy this, come down here and paste it there. I will click on update. So if you click on view course, now looking at the course as you, it shows like this because you are the one that created the course. So you can see, you can go into the course, but let's open the course but let's look to what you created first of all. Then we'll open another account as a student and see what they see inside the course. So this is the first description. Now the bad part of using YouTube, if you must use a YouTube video, is you have to set all this in your YouTube. You have to set all of this in the video itself on the YouTube channel. So when you upload the video, you have to turn off all these settings that will allow other videos to come in. Because this guy, the video I copied, this was set for him so that he will boost his YouTube subscription and all that.
Number 31.
So that maybe you're stopping the video, you're seeing other options for YouTube video. So, but if you don't even want to allow all this happen, so people just take the course seamlessly, you can now use Streamable and upload your courses part by part, then copy the video link and paste in Streamers Academy. So remember, this is streamable.com, streamable.com, streamable.com. So moving on, the person takes the next course.
Number 31.
So after that, it takes the test. So it starts the quiz or it skips it. Let's start the quiz. So this is the correct answer. Let's submit. Let's see. So it says correct answer. So you can now go back and complete the course. So this is the result of the quiz. So you can now go back. So we click here to exit. So that's that too. So now let's go back to let's now open this same page from another account. Let's see how it now